Namaste. I'm Mary Burris of Flowering Cactus, and I'm here to show you an adaptation of the Bellows breath for those of you who are just beginning this breath and need to learn it maybe a little more gently than the actual version. So it's going to go like this. First, you bring your arms out to the side like so. I know you can't see my hands right now, but that's okay. They're there. And exhale in the beginning, and then a little inhale. And then slowly, so imagine that you're breathing like a bellows. So when you inhale, you're filling your lungs up with air, and when you exhale, you're letting the air go. And this all happens through the nose. So I'm going to show you one more time. You begin by exhaling and then inhale and then you go. So it looks like this. Exhale first, then inhale, and then so you might try doing this in a mirror, because notice that my breath is coming out in my lungs like this and in rather than up and down. Okay, so I'm expanding the whole lungs and exhaling. Okay, so one more time, I'm just going to show you. Exhale. All right, and then you just keep doing that for, I don't know, 10 to 20 reps, and you will have the same effect of doing the Bellows breath really fast. So enjoy. Namaste.